Google Form Automation. Auto-close form. By date or quantity responses. First, open your Google Form and click these three dots. Then, select App Script. Next, delete this script and replace it with the new script I've provided in the description. Pay close attention to how to find your form ID, then insert it right here. This is your form ID, and this is the most crucial step of all. Copy it, then paste it right here. In this script, I limited it to only 2 responses. This is just for demonstration purposes. Now let's create a trigger. Don't forget to save the script first. Pay close attention to these specific settings. Then click Save and Allow. Now it's time to publish the form and copy the form link. To test the form, try submitting 2 different responses. When attempting to submit the 3rd response, a message will appear stating that the form has been closed. Now your form will automatically close once the specified condition you set has been met. Hope this helps many people, and don't forget to subscribe.